Hey, what's going on? It's the Western Nomad. I'm driving into the lovely town of Butte, Montana. This is a little over 1 hour from Bozeman. Going through the pass right here down into the town, and I was kind of surprised how spread out and larger this town seemed, especially compared to Bozeman. Very rich in mining history. People from all over the world used to work out here, from all different kinds of nationalities, but very strong Irish influence here that can still be felt today, and contains one of the largest mines in America. There's some controversy in this town, especially with the mine, as it polluted the land and the water, and it's actually known as a pretty toxic town. But this town's revitalizing itself, and it's really cool, so I hope you enjoy the footage. Butte was established in 1864 as a mining camp in the northern Rocky Mountains on the Continental Divide. Butte experienced rapid development in the late 19th century and was Montana's first major industrial city. In its heyday between the late 19th and early 20th centuries, it was one of the largest copper boom towns in the American West. Employment opportunities in the mines attracted surges of Asian and European immigrants, particularly the Irish. And as of 2017, Butte has the largest population of Irish Americans per capita of any U.S. city. Butte was also the site of various historical events involving its mining industry and active labor unions and socialist politics, the most famous of which was the labor riot of 1914. Despite the dominance of the Anaconda Copper Mining Company, Butte was never a company town. Other major events in the city's history include the 1917 Speculator Mine disaster, the largest rock mining disaster in world history. Over the course of its history, Butte's mining and smelting operations generated more than 48 billion worth of ore, but also resulted in numerous environmental implications for the city. The Upper Clark Fork River, with headwaters at Butte, is the largest Superfund site in the nation, and the city is also home to the Berkeley Pit. In the late 20th century, the EPA instated cleanup efforts, and the Butte Citizens Technical Environmental Committee was established in 1984. In the 21st century, efforts to interpret and preserve Butte's heritage are addressing both the town's historical significance and the continuing importance of mining to its historic places. Butte is one of the largest National Historic Landmark districts in the U.S., containing nearly 6,000 contributing properties. The city is also home to the Montana Technological University, a public engineering and technical university.